Help me. Somebody, please just help me.
Cut, cut, cut! You! Over here! Who are you?
Gus?
Where's Natasha?
She's sick.
Ugh!
I just want to be pretty.
Just get me some coffee, please. Hi there. We're having fun shooting a new show for Shaw TV called Crash Test Videos. If you consider yourself a video artiste, like myself, Shaw TV is looking for short video submissions from anyone in the Port Alberni area. Now excuse me while I get back to my masterpiece. Places, everybody!
Here's your coffee.
Action in 3!